What's up guys, this is Jake, and today I'm doing a very quick review of the Jarlink Clear Packing Tape. This one is obviously coming in a pack of 12 rolls for heavy duty packaging tape. Now, you can see all the details of it right here. You can also see I've already opened it because I use a lot of tape, and this has kind of just become my go-to packing tape. You've got 12 thick rolls in here by Jarlink. You've got the clear packing tape. You can see it is 720 total yards. Let's grab that a little better. 2.5 thick. You've got 60 yards per roll, and you got everything you need, right? So when it comes to packing tape, there's just a couple things you want to be sure of, right? First of all, that it gets the job done. As long as it gets the job done, then you kind of just want the one for the best price. I've gotten packaging tape from a few different places, and this has just kind of been the one I've sat on at this point. Really good deal on it, really good quality tape, never had issues with it. So if you're looking for good packing tape, I do recommend checking out these packs by Jarlink.